Hey, I had just added a dose of Trilomax treatment to my Eco Diesel. It's Ram 3.0 Eco Diesel. I put it in a few weeks ago, and this had been experiencing some symptoms with low oil pressure at startup or zero oil pressure at startup that would happen when the truck sat overnight and I started it, and it would be once or twice a week, no just kind of random. But since I had put the engine treatment in, I haven't had any zero oil pressure happen or any of that type of symptom happen since then. So at this point, it seems like it had resolved the issue that more than likely would have put an end to that engine, and I'd be looking for a new one. But so just wanted to leave a message on what I'd been able to fix on my truck. Thanks.